Ever wonder how chemists predict whether a reaction releases or absorbs energy before even running the experiment? That's exactly what standard enthalpy of formation calculations tell you. This free calculator makes that process instant. Just enter your chemical reaction, the compounds, their coefficients, and whether they're reactants or products, and it handles the math automatically using tabulated formation values. Here's a quick example. Take the combustion of methane. CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus 2 water molecules. Plug those in, and the calculator returns negative 890 kilojoules per mole, meaning significant heat is released. That's why natural gas works so well as fuel. It works for any reaction, synthesis, decomposition, combustion, as long as your compounds have known formation enthalpies. Stop doing this by hand. Use the standard enthalpy of formation calculator right now. The link is below. It's free, it's fast, and it just works.